All right, here we are on a 1994 Saab 900. Been getting some issues with this vehicle when driving above 60 miles per hour. Get kind of like a stutter or a hesitation. I tried a few things. I tried to change the spark plugs, that wouldn't help. I changed the mass airflow sensor about 3 different times, that didn't help. Now I got a recommendation to change the, this part right here, the throttle body sensor. Throttle body position sensor. So I got a new one right here, and I'm going to try to swap that out, and hopefully that fixes the hesitation problem. Stay tuned. All right, we got the battery on the hook, and to make sure that it's not touching down there, I got it on this. And okay, looks like that is a Bosch. Just getting a little closer so you guys can see that. We got 2 screws, 1 on each side. Very tight down there. Let me see what I can do to get that out. All right, if you look close, we got one side out. We're working on the other side. Man, this thing is up in there, super tight, super tight. Well, we're working on it. This last screw is giving me hell, goodness. All right, so I put a microfiber down there, because that screw is definitely going to fall. It's not going to come right out. I tried to move one of these hoses, but the hoses are so old that they're not moving, and I don't feel like going through trying to find more hoses that's discontinued, and I got to try to match up sizes. So I'm going to try to find a workaround for this, and just keep working it. It's almost out. All right, guys, so we finally got it out. I wound up using this screwdriver and acted like a chisel, and it came out with the screw intact. So let's take a look at them both side by side. Yeah, looks the same, but one is Bosch. This one I think is like Santec or something like that. So here we go. Let's see what it does. Put it back in. After turning and turning and turning, this came off. Actually, I was able to get it in a lot easier. I was praying that I don't drop that screw, but I left a little slack on it because I know you got to adjust it a little bit after you reset it, just to make sure that everything is okay with the idle. So let me try to work the other screw in. I'll be right back. All right, here's the other screw, y'all. Now this side been giving me H-E-L-L for certain. Pray for me, y'all, that I do not drop this screw, y'all. Pray for me, because I'm going to need it. Slowly turning, and I got this thing back, and the screw dropped probably about twice, and I figured out how to hold it with the needle noses, and started with my finger and my thumb. Man, pays sometimes not to have big fingers. My thumb is so bruised right now, but we got it back on. And it's still kind of loose enough that if I need to turn it just a bit to adjust it, I can. But let me put the battery back on, start it up, and see how it goes. Wish me luck. All right, so I was told that you put the car in the on position so that it can relearn ECU. We got in the on position for about 30 seconds. And then we just step on the gas slowly about 5 times. So first 3 times I did about 25–50%. Now this is about 75. Now I'm gonna go all the way, this one all the way down to the floor even more slowly. All right, that's wide open throttle. Let's try another wide open throttle. One more, just for good measures. All right. Like I said, turn the car off. Car's off. Take the key out. Gonna wait about a couple seconds. All right, we're putting the car back in the on position and we're gonna start it. Hopefully the car starts up. Let's hope the car starts up, y'all. Praying the car starts. All right, let's go. Okay, it starts. It's idling right where it should be. At the 1,000. It's first time starting in quite a while, so I'm gonna let it warm up for just a bit. I'm gonna give it a couple revs, then I'll take it out on a quick little drive, get on the highway and see how it does. Also, just looking around, I think one of these hoses, look, you got a leak right here, you got antifreeze all right there. Then I see a few drips come from down there, so I feel like it's coming from up here. It's coming from up here. That's exactly where it's coming from. We found the leak, y'all. It's either this or one of these hoses. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a little gas right now. Let's see. It's a little rough. Yeah, this thing's loose right here. That's that clipping that's right here. What y'all think? Do y'all think we did it? Do y'all think we did it? And there's also another plug right here. I don't know what the heck that goes to. That goes to the mass airflow? There's normally two. And I don't know where that goes. That's another plug right here. That's not going to anything. See the plug down there? And I don't know. It's idling right where it needs to be, though. It's not doing anything crazy. All right, only one way to find out. Let's take it on the highway. Yep, that's a leak. I'm not sure if it's coming from the engine or where it's coming from. It's not coming from none of these hoses, but it's a leak for sure. Is it right here? I think it's right here. Might be right there. Definitely dripping. Looks like we got a couple issues we got to sort out, especially before the SAAB meet that's coming up in a month or so down in VA. So let's get this thing on the road. All right, here's the test, guys. We're in 5th gear at about 2,500 RPM. Jerking, still jerking, y'all. Still jerking. Dang. So that means it is least we got a new throttle body position sensor on. It's not jerking as bad, but it's still there. But we also got to find out what's up with that leak as well. Man, chasing this thing, man, chasing it.
1 hour later.
All right, y'all. I turned on the heat and I'm driving on my way back, and I don't feel any shakes. We switch lanes, speed up just a bit. Premium fuel in it. I don't know, y'all. Is it fixed? Are we good? That's crazy. I thought we weren't good. Alright, I'm gonna drive on the highway just a little bit longer, y'all. Let's see if it come back. I'll be back. All right, here we go, guys. A quick round 3 in 5th gear. I got about a mile before I jump off the highway. It's not stumbling, y'all. We might have done it. We might have done it. Now, it only took probably about maybe a 5-mile journey, so I didn't really go far. But it's no stumbling. It was at first, so maybe I had to relearn the ECU. I don't know. But we're not getting any stumble. None. None. And I'm not driving any different than what I normally would drive when it was stumble. Man, I think we're good. I'm about to put some premium fuel in it. We almost at E, so that should help out this tank as well. Probably gonna stick the premium on this car from now on. So for now, let's just say it's fixed. Let's say it is fixed. Y'all, I'm excited about that, man. I'm big excited.
% off everything.
Just filled up 4163 11 gallons. We have Sunoco, so this is some very good gas.
On screen now.
And we're good. Let's roll. All right, y'all, we took it on a cruise. And looks like we're fixed. Checking the antifreeze, I know it's a little low. We are fixed, guys. We are fixed. Check that leak. Not really dripping. Not really dripping. Man, I gotta find out where it's dripping from though. It's up here somewhere because you can see remnants of antifreeze right here, right there, down here, down there, a little bit of drippage right there. So I'll figure that out on the next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully, if you guys are having this issue with your SAAB or any other car, that this fixes the solution. Bye-bye old one and in with the new one. And this was a Bosch. I couldn't find a Bosch. Well, I actually didn't try to look hard, but yeah, go rambling. I'll see you on the next one. Stay power, stay motivated. Salute.